Broadcast Jamaican now give the news in the Jamaican language.
People, wagwan. This is Kadeen Marshall and me go give the news rundown in a Jamaican. First, me give the headline them. The Ministry for Health and Wellness says somebody who travel from Jamaica got the United Kingdom test positive for the new Omicron variant. The Ministry for Health and Wellness says more than 2,500 people come take them COVID-19 booster shot. Most of the public sector union them who work for more than 80,000 workers sign one new wage deal with the government. The reggae boy Shamar Nicholson signed with the Spartak Moscow in the Russian Premiership. Now for the full story them. The Ministry for Health and Wellness says somebody who travel from Jamaica got the United Kingdom test positive for the new Omicron variant. Dr. Christopher Tufton, who is the health minister, said the United Kingdom International Health Regulation System tell him about the positive test yesterday. According to Tufton, the somebody come out here come stay at one hotel, but them never turn long. When them reach back in the UK, them find out that them test positive for the Omicron variant. On top of that, Tufton said no said the Omicron out here now, and yesterday them see some more people test positive for coronavirus in the country. The Ministry for Health and Wellness said more than 2,500 people come take them COVID-19 booster shot. The ministry did start give the shot them on December 13, and any Jamaican who are 18 years old and older can get the booster shot. But according to Dr. Melody Ennis, who run the Family Health Services in the Ministry for Health, most of the people them who come take the booster shot are 60 years old and older. Most of the public sector union them who work for more than 80,000 workers sign one new wage deal with the government. The people them who in the group are signed are the Nurses Association for Jamaica, the Medical Doctors Association, and the Jamaica Confederation of Trade Union. Based on what them sign, the people them all get one 4% wage increase pan them pay. Dr. Nigel Clark, or the Minister for Finance, did there when the 31 union did a sign, and him said this is the quickest signing deal in history. On top of that, Dr. Clark said the fact that the union them signed so quick shows that the economy they in the right place, and him beg the rest of group them for hurry up and sign. Police put out one another alert for 17 years old Ashanti Hall who come from Adventist Close in a Newland, Portmore, St. Catherine. She missing from Monday, December 20. Ashanti dark and slim, and she about 5 feet 5 inches long. The last time nobody see her, she did have in some long braid. According to the report from the Bridgeport police, Ashanti left her yard pan 4 p.m. Monday and no come back. She did have on one pink blouse, short blue tights, and a pair of cream slippers. Nobody no see or hear from her after that. The Bridgeport police asked anybody who know which part Ashanti Hall there for call them pan 876-322-0943, police 119 or the nearest police station. 3 people get shot and one of them dead in a Brampton St. Elizabeth Tuesday. The dead woman, a 21 years old Shadana Wilmont, who come from Brampton. According to the police report, around 7:30 p.m. the woman and the 2 men did stand up at the shop when gunman shot them up. This is the second shooting this week, cause Monday 1 man did get shot up in the same community. Now for sports. Reggae boy Shamar Nicholson signed with the Spartak Moscow in the Russian Premiership. Spartak put out to them signed the 24 years old Tuesday, and some report as him get signed for nearly 9 million euros. The one-time Boystown player left Belgium after him scored 13 goals and helped with 5 goals for the season. He may go move to Spartak Moscow come January 1. People, remember the curfew from 10 p.m. in the night to 5 in the morning. Me name Kadeen Marshall, and that are the news rundown in a Jamaican.
Broadcast Jamaican just give the news in the Jamaican language.